So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Badger 1 garbage disposal by InSync aerator, and you can see serial number right there, 1/3 horse. We did replace some plumbing down here. You had some components in there that we weren't really happy with, so we replaced all of your tubing. So starting, that's your basket strainer, that's the drain on the one side, but starting with that piece of plastic, going all the way down to the trap, that's all brand new. Also a telescoping disposal kit that comes over and ties into disposal. So that's just a courtesy thing that we do when we see plumbing we don't like, no extra charge. So that all the drains are clean now. So if you did have any trouble with either beginning or currently backing up, that's all brand new. Also the hose, the 7/8 hose was full of debris. You can certainly get a bunch of hot water and try and blast it out, but it had a galvanized pipe nipple stuffed in the end of it to tie this 7/8 hose to the drain line, which is right here. So it goes up, kind of circles around the sink, and then it comes back down and discharges here. Not code, but that it is what it is. So we got a piece of copper. We showed the homeowner copper stuffed in, not this end over here, but the end up here where it ties into the hose. 3/4 copper stuffed in about a 1/2 inch because they cut the adapter on this hose, which normally would fit right over the disposal over here. So we got a piece of copper in there and then tied it to a new piece of rubber. This is nice and clean. So everything's clean now. The only thing that I would recommend replacing, you could do it now or wait, it's up to you, is this hose. It's got some buildup inside, because it's got ridges all up and down, so food particles get stuck in there, and then they begin to putrefy, and they create smells and whatnot, and eventually you'll get that in your disposal coming up, and you'll never know what that smell is. So we're going to text you a link to, or text you the contact info for our appliance technician. Call them when you get a chance, have them come out and replace that for you. So we've tested everything, run water down it. Brand new flange up top, that was leaking, the old one, and then of course all that mounting bracketry was corroded. So brand new disposal, brand new line cord. Everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.